In today's video, I am going to teach you how to restore a previous version of content in Hubspot. Sometimes a page, blog post, or marketing email gets edited and saved, and later you realize you need to roll back to an earlier draft. Hubspot makes this simple with revision history, which lets you preview older versions and restore the one you want. This is especially helpful if multiple people are working on the same content, or if you published an update that did not turn out the way you expected. To get started, open the editor for the content you want to restore. This can be a website page, a blog post, or an email. Make sure you are inside the actual editing screen where you can see your content and the top menu options. Next, go to the top left corner of the editor and click File. In the menu that opens, select Revision History. This will open a panel that shows saved versions of your content over time, organized by timestamp. Look to the left sidebar where the timestamps are listed. Click on a timestamp to preview that specific version. Take a moment to review the preview carefully. Scan the headline, body content, images, links, and any sections that are easy to overlook, like call to action buttons or footer details. The goal is to confirm you have selected the exact version you want before you restore it. Once you have found the correct version, move to the top right and click Restore this version. Hubspot will switch your editor back to that saved version, replacing the current draft. At this point, you have restored the content inside the editor, but it is not live yet. To make the restored version public, click Publish Changes. This final step is important because restoring a version only updates your working content until you publish. After publishing, your page, blog, or email will reflect the restored version going forward. If you are working on something time-sensitive, it is a good habit to preview the restored content one more time before publishing, just to ensure everything looks correct. And that is all there is to it.